Hello and welcome. Next I like to show you that how to replace this Toyota Corolla's this right side engine mounting, what is in here, and in that area we have this Toyota Corolla's timing belt, and there is alternator in that area in here. Alternator is in here. Okay. And how to start this job? First I need to open these and that bolt, and then this bolt in here. And I start my job in these bolts, and these are, I believe, that 12 millimeters, and this is 10 millimeter, and these in here are 14 or 15 millimeters. Okay, and soon we continue. Okay, and I start my job in these bolts in here, and for that job we need 14 millimeter 1/4 millimeter socket, and then of course pick this bar, because these bolts are quite tight. And then notice that I have in here quite long these bars in here that I can open this bolt, and then I start to rotate, and this bolt opens easily because I have so big tool. And there we have that kind of bolt, and similar bolt is in this other side in here, and I open that also. It's nice to rotate this big tool in that way. It is nice to rotate because it rotates like propelled. And then a little bit more. Okay, now this bolt is okay, there is 2 of these bolts. Good. And then next thing is that I open these bolts in here, and again I use this big bar, and then I rotate that. There was that kind of bolt, and then next bolt in there, and again rotation. Okay, now there is a situation that I think that all bolts are free, and then remember, when we are planning to replace that, we need to install some jack in below of this engine, and we need to lift up a little bit that thing, and next I little bit lift that up using. Okay, and now it starts to move. Good. And then when it is moving, okay, it's there. Good. Then I can open that bolt. It is 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. And now this thing is moving, and then there is next bolt in here, that one, and it's again 14 millimeter. I use bar. There is my tool. And then only a little bit rotation. And if I open that, I open the tune. And I take that bolt carefully next out. Okay, and now I lift up a little bit more that engine that it is free. And then I open that final bolt. And there was that kind of little bit different bolt. Now I believe that this should be okay, but there is still two bolts in here below, in that area. What I need to next open, and when I have take those bolts open, then this mounting is free, and we continue. Okay, and then I have take two of these kind of 14mm bolts, but location is in here, and in that area I inserted my friends, and it's my tool in here in this below area, and in here I rotated in this below area. These bolts open, and now when these are open, this mounting is free. Okay, and there is this mounting. Okay, and let's look that closer. It is in here. And we can install that back in same way, and look, there is also one big bolt, and in that side there is that kind of looking. Okay, and now this part is free. Okay, and this was this information, and thank you for watching that video. And of course, have a nice day to you.